Are you affected by kidney disease and in need of high-quality dialysis services in a serene and professional setting? Your search ends here. The modern dialysis department at Maryam Memorial Hospital is dedicated to providing care for 110 dialysis each month, and we invite you to join our community of patients. We pride ourselves on offering a comfortable environment where experienced medical professionals deliver personalized attention and treatment, utilizing state-of-the-art medical equipment. Since our establishment on June 5, 2021, the dialysis department at Maryam Memorial Hospital has delivered continuous and compassionate care. Our expert team is committed to ensuring your health and comfort, employing the highest quality materials and the latest technology to ensure effective and safe treatment. Our mission is to create a peaceful atmosphere where you feel secure and at ease throughout your treatment. Each month, we provide quality dialysis care. Allow yourself to be cared for by our skilled professionals. Prioritize your health and well-being. Contact Maryam Memorial Hospital today to take advantage of our expert dialysis services.